So this is a how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate child lock on a Hotpoint Aqualtis Washing Machine. Right, so this video can actually be applied not only to this Aqualtis, which is the model AQGD169S, a very rare model with a drum light, but it can be applied to actually all Aqualtises, regardless of what spec they are, because the child lock button is actually still in the same position and activates in the same way for all of them. The only difference between different models is that this one actually lights up with a little child, whereas on others it's just a little LED. Oh, and also this is a button, whereas the modern ones are touch buttons. There's no actual difference on how long it takes to activate and deactivate, so they can be applied to actually all the Aqualtis models. So the child lock button can be found here, and to activate it you simply press and hold. Now what the child lock doesn't do is keep the door locked, so you can still open and close the door when it's not in use. But when it's also not in use, you can activate and deactivate the child lock when it's not in use or whether it is in use. And that avoids actually any of the buttons getting pressed. Because this is a full LCD display, it actually indicates what's actually happening. So it says child lock active, and they won't activate until the child lock is turned back off again. So to actually deactivate the child lock, you can press and hold the child lock button. And that's it. When child lock is on, nothing can be turned off. Not even an on-off. Not in the start pause, nothing. So regardless whether it's in cycle or out of cycle, child lock can still be activated. Handy little feature there to stop your little ones from messing about. Or, as some people have found out, using the child lock can stop the accidental prevention of turning on and off the machine. Right, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own Hotpoint Aqualtis at home. Thank you for watching.